Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is James Evangelista speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to order.
May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Jofel Perer and my room number is 08.
Okay, ma'am. I take your order now.
I would like to order mini Calabos croissant and Americano coffee.
Would you like to try some of our coffee like creamy latte?
No thanks, that will be all.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? Your order is mini clubhouse, croissant, and Americano coffee. Did I get your order right, ma'am?
Yes.
Your bill is 450. Please, for the payment of your bill, is it cash, credit card, or it's a room change?
Cash.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be delivered as soon as possible, maybe in 15 minutes. Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service. Room service. Room service. Good morning, ma'am. My name is James Evangelista. I will be your room service for today, and here's your room service order. May I come in?
Come in.
Excuse me, ma'am, Jopel. Where would you like me to set up your food? Should I leave the food on the tray or set up on your table?
Set up on my table, please.
Would you like to me open the curtain to brighten up your room?
Yeah, sure.
Room service. Room service. Room service. This is James Evangelista. I'm here to pick up your side dishes. May I come in?
Please come in.
Excuse me, ma'am. Is your change? By the way, ma'am, we prepare a party tonight at the ground floor of our hotel at 8 p.m. Would you like to visit? Yes.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you for staying in our hotel. Have a nice day.